The first step, go to the Windows search bar and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. There find Network and Internet. Open that. Then find Network and Sharing Center. Click on that. Now hit on the Change Adapter Settings. Then select your connection. Right click and select Properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Then say OK. Then select Properties. Now go to the DNS section and select second option. Use the following DNS server. Then here type 1.1.1.1. Then alternative server 1.0.0.1. So once you done, say OK. Now close the window. Second step, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD or command prompt. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then say yes to continue. Here you need to type ipconfig space / release. Then press enter. Now type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Then press enter. Then type ipconfig space / renew. Then press enter. And finally you need to type net sh space winsock space reset. Then press enter. Now type exit to exit the command prompt. Third step, go to the Windows search bar and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the best match result. In the search bar, type Internet Options. You'll find Internet Options. Open that. There, go to Connections and select LAN Settings. Then make sure you have selected the Automatically Detect settings. So select this one and say OK and apply the changes and OK. Now close the all windows. Friends, this is how we can fix the this site can't be reached problem or error connection reset on Google Chrome browser. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to channel and hit the bell icon. Well, meet in the exciting video like this. Till then, bye.